Hey folks, this is Jacob at Gog's Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we have in a fresh trade a 2022 Jayco Jay Flight Bungalow, the 40 RLTS. We got a park model, 3 slides. We'll take a look around the outside and then work our way inside here, starting with our front tongue jack. Behind there is our propane, 2 20-pound tanks, and the battery goes in there. With the purchase here at Gog's, you get a brand new battery. Tanks are full, as well as a few other things. So we got 2 slides here, one on the other side. A couple of lights there. So you have a cubby with some outdoor storage. This is beneath the front bed. You can get access to the inside as well. Here we have the holding tanks. We got a black here and a gray water tank here. We got the furnace, the water heater, the outdoor shower. We got the city water connection, and we got the tank flush here. All right, nice big slide. We do have it hooked up to shore power. It's a 50 amp supply. Nice big window back here. Get the rear ladder. Here's your portable water tank. It does have the stabilizer jacks on all 4 corners. I just don't have them down. Other slide out here with some nice windows on it. Does have a power awning. Just a tad bit windy today. So I have that in. It does have LED strip lighting beneath that. I don't know if you can see that. A couple of outdoor speakers, Bluetooth. We got a door to go to the bedroom, door to go to the living room, kitchen area. You have a couple of plugins outside here, 110. Another set there. Again, it's a 2022 Jayco Jay Flight Bungalow 40 RLTS. So with the 2 slide outs, definitely opens things up back here. Start off with the table and chairs dinette. Lighting. We got the theater seats. We have a small cubby for remotes. Plenty of cup holders. You just pull this lever to recline. Got a little bit of storage above. Storage above there as well. Got the couch, the ottoman. Coffee tables on both sides. Plugins on both sides, 110. It does have the full blackout shades, kind of nice. Nice big TV. We got the fireplace below. You can have it put off heat. I don't have that set on right now. Change the color. Fun. So we got storage on both sides, above, below. This one's actually the radio. Now we got our kitchen area, our center island. Plug in there. Did want to mention there's a fan here and in the bedroom. We got a ton of storage here. Microwave. Got the 4-burner stovetop. Nice big oven. Cool little lights there. Got drawers. More storage. This is a spot for a couple of trash bins there. And we got Nice covers, heavy duty covers, drying rack there. We got the dual sink. You have the wand that moves. And we got the refrigerator and freezer. Got the pantry here with a nice light there. A little more countertop space. A little bit of storage. Then we got the control center here. So these are for the awning, the two slides here, and lighting. You can see how full your tanks are, how charged your battery is. You can even turn on your water pump, your water heater gas here, your water heater electric. We got the thermostat and the switch for the living room fan. We got the big bathroom, high ceiling, sink, storage. Like we got, there's a fan here that you can open, you can turn it on. That's for lighting, charging there. Little bench in the shower, real nice and tall. You get the glass walls. Really nice. And you got the toilet paper holder, a couple hooks there for towels and whatnot. Here we either have a closet or room for laundry, washer and dryer unit. Close there. Nice big window in the hallway. Does have a full blackout. And we got the bedroom slide. So the slide and the fan back here have their own switches right here. So they also have hookups for a TV back here as well. Tons of storage. Got to close. Then the previous owner did take it down from a king to a queen mattress, so there was a little bit of cutting to do. But, definitely works. You do have your own thermostat back here. Plenty of storage. Little reader's lights there. Blackout shades. Nice barn door finish. Alrighty. That's going to wrap it up today. Again, this is a 2022 Jayco Jay Flight Bungalow. It is a 40 RL TS. If you have any questions or would like to come see this in person, feel free to give us a call at 507-345-5858. This is Jacob, and thanks for watching.